Okay, let's have a look at converting data types. Okay, so we've got floats, we've got ints, we've got strings, we've got doubles. So let's try converting an int into a float. All right, so really easy. This is where you use the circular brackets, and 4 is an int, and if we press enter with that, it puts the decimal after it. All right, now let's convert that into a string. String 4 becomes, and there we've got our inverted commas around it, so 4. Oh, I was meant to look that up. What do you call those? They're like a the name of this symbol, ampersand? No. Punctuation marks, are they? Apostrophe, there we go. It's just an apostrophe. I call them inverted commas, which are the double ones, yeah? Just checking. Oh, they don't even have that. So apostrophe, hyphen, no, colon, yep. Apostrophe, okay, we'll go with that. But you know what I mean anyways. So there we go. So we've got string, float. Let's try double. Let's see if we can convert the 4 into a double. And they don't use double. Okay, fair enough. Okay, it's not defined. Okay, that's my... let's convert something back to an int. Try this. 4.5. Let's see what happens. All right, it rounds it down. Let's see if it rounds it up if it's 4.7. Rounds it down. So just when you be careful, if you're converting things into an int, it's going to round it down, okay? That'd be a good thing to check out, actually. So curiosity kills the cat sometimes. I hate this faster access thing. What's this all about? I don't know what that's all about. Yeah. Let's go, it's a Chrome extension or something. I don't really want it. Anyway. All right, let's keep on going. I'll fix it up later. So how do we round numbers? All right, now, you know, I don't know everything. Python. I'm learning with you. So this is what you can do. Round, there we go. That's nice and easy, isn't it? Round with the rounded brackets. Perfect. It's round and round. All right, so it says, oh, good. And you can round it to the number of n digits. So you put your number and then the number of digits. All right, let's give that a go. So just say we've got number 4.789 and we want to round it. Oh, you have to put that in there, don't you? You get rid of that. Round. And then the number. And we want it to, let's say 1 digit. Let's see. Ooh, cool. So that rounded it up. Let's try that again. And let's go 2 digits. Nice. And it rounded up that number too. You could probably say it's round down, but int does that for you anyways. Let's go 0. All right, so it rounded the whole thing up in that case. What else we got? For floating, round. Okay, let's see if it rounds it up. Before we're doing 4.7, should be 5. Yep. All right, cool. So that's a new one, round, great. All right, so yeah, so that's about it for like looking at converting data types. That's a good start. You've got your ints, your floats, and your strings, and yeah, I'll just go with that for now. And then yeah, play around with it like I did. I got curious about rounding numbers and seeing how int rounds the number. Yeah, see what you know you want to check out, get on Google, check it out, and search it up and see where it takes you. Have fun.